washer. I got this at Repco for about $100 on sale. It's originally, I think it's $139 or $159. I was choosing between the Ryobi and this, but I guess because it came with the snow foam cannon, I got suckered into buying this. So let's open this up and see what all the fuss is about. It does have 2,219 psi. I think it's also 2,000 watts as well. Yep. Comes with the quick nozzles, turbo, rotary, variable pattern, 1-year warranty. Apparently, that's how good the snow foam cannon is, but I highly doubt that. I think it won't be as good as the ones that are in the market, but you know, for $100, can't go wrong. Alright, let's open this up. Trusty Stanley knife. Alright, so these are the items that you get with the Mechpro pressure washer. Looks like a solid build. It's got a metal pump as well, so hopefully it lasts longer than some pressure washers out there. Got the 2 nozzles, the turbo and the variable pattern. Clear, I think it's a hose connector. This is a foam cannon. Two screws, an instruction manual that I'll never open, a hose, here's a lot. What do you say we go test this out? Alright guys, so this is how it looks like fully assembled. Soap dispenser. Just remember, if you do buy one of these, you'll have to put this in manually. Just have to push it really hard into the small hole. Yeah, that didn't sound right, but you know. I guess one thing that really frustrates me already is the hose reel. Just very fidgety. I'll show you. It feels impossible. What would really annoy me is this hose reel. Just keeps curling up. But I guess you can live with that for $99. And yep, Anyways, I'm going to clean up this green algae. Does a pretty good job. I'm going to switch it up to the rotary nozzle, see how that goes. Well, that did an excellent job in less time. You can clearly see a difference with that. It's pretty good. Washed, unwashed. Man, I can keep going all day with this. Alright guys, got the Canon foam. I'm using the Eclipse Hyper foam. Pretty damn happy with that, to be honest. And that's the Mechpro pressure washer. What are my thoughts? I think for $99 Australian dollars, it's pretty cheap for what you get, especially when it comes with a snow cannon foam. The build seems pretty good. The wheels are fairly good as well for the price. The only thing that annoys me is this right here, but look, I can get used to that. There's been a couple of times where it fell down while I was trying to clean the car, but you know, it's pretty expected. But if you can look past that, I'll definitely get one. Assembling it was pretty easy. All the attachments are there. You know, if you need to clean the concrete, clean the car, clean the deck, it's right there. So I'll rate it a good 4 out of 5. If you liked the video, guys, like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll try to get it answered. Thank you.